Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Seekh kebab. They are fully cooked, soft and very juicy. In a food processor, I will add 1 bulb of garlic, 1 2-inch piece of ginger, 1 long green chili, 1 onion, medium sized, and 1 handful of cilantro or coriander. Close the food processor. Close it and run the food processor for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, we'll open it and add all the dry spices. Half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon dry roasted and crushed cumin and coriander powder, half teaspoon crushed red chili. We are going to close it and then run the food processor one more time for 5 more seconds. Then I will add 1 kg minced beef. It's 80-20, 80% meat and 20% fat. I'm gonna run it for about 30 to 40 seconds. Then we'll open it and transfer it into a bowl. We will cover it and put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. I will take bamboo skewers and soak them in the water for 30 minutes as well. After 30 minutes, I will add 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the meat and then knead it like a dough for 5 minutes. Time to make kebabs. Take some water in your hands. Then take some meat and kind of coat it with water, and then take the skewer and run it through the skewer and make a long kebab. Make sure it's not too thin because it's gonna shrink, so press it and make sure the skewer is in the center. Prepare and light some charcoal. I'm gonna divide them evenly when they are ready and then move the grills. And then I will put the kebabs on the grill and let them cook. Once they're cooked from one side, slowly turn it. Make sure you turn them slowly because otherwise they will break. Once you turn all the kebabs over, make sure to close the grill for 5 minutes and let them cook on the steam. After 5 minutes, we will open the grill and turn the kebabs so they don't burn, and cook them for 5 more minutes. If you're liking the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Kebabs are on the grill for almost 20 minutes. They are ready and I'm gonna take them out in the plate. Kebabs are ready, but now to take them out from the skewers, we're going to hold the kebab and then twist the skewers out from the kebabs. Repeat the process with all the kebabs and we are ready to enjoy them. Sprinkle some chaat masala, some lemon juice, and enjoy it with naan and chutney. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.